The less they go, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this elastic time, we sink or swim. Chocolate summers lasted years now. Seasons change so fast. Time's a river flowing clear. The future's now the past. Tick tock, the rhythm's up. Time's plenty in tricks again. Joy, the men soar. In pain they never end. Elastic goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time won't wait for you. This elastic flow, each second's precious true. Clock hands ticking, count them finish all alone. They stretch like rubber bands, others fly like shooting stars. Elastic goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time won't wait for you. This elastic flow, each second's precious true. Clock hands ticking, count them finish all alone. They stretch like rubber bands, others fly like shooting stars. Clock hands ticking, count them finish
No. Chop. One thing I hate about bowling is it's gonna make you chop. So chop. Which one did he say we were on? 27? Chopped cheese. I'm ready to cook him. Yeah, they gave you 2 chances. Okay. Oh shit!
Your turn. Wait, I'm confused. Why is it staying on the same one? Oh, no, right. Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna win. Damn it.
You wanted to stay close like that. You gotta move up. You gotta Anaya.
Shut up! What does it even do?
No, you gotta back up and you can move. Like this. You're wrong this side.
No!
What happened? Well, I don't know what to do. ball right here. Big ball. Not ball.
Ball?
Yo, shut up.
You're not. You're in the lead right now, but I don't mean it's gonna stay that way. Come on, bitch. Why you didn't put the bumpers up for me? Like, you're mad weird. I need bumpers.
Yeah, come here.
I should have went to the movies.
Hurry up. Bumpers, right?
Yeah.
So, you need help? I didn't do anything, yo.
I told you I need a bumper. Okay.
You still need bumpers.
I do. I
You
need
don't
them.
even need bumpers. You need to keep getting it.
Listen, I have a 2-pound baby in me right now. There's no other way but to have a bumper.
Go back down. Listen, if you can't handle that pressure, get out.
Whatever. Ah,
I know you can't get jelly.
shut up.
Wait, they fall down?
It's what time to.
Okay, ball.
You be cheating.
You stepped over the line. Okay.
I didn't step over the line. No, I didn't. I told y'all I was gonna win. I told y'all, and I started off weak. How you feel?
I'm still here.
I'm winning, y'all.
got you. In your way. 85. Bust my ass.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, nigga, yeah.
Oh, hold on, let me. Nah, bruh.